Hello children, welcome you all to online class Ishuvidya. In previous class we have discussed about the festivals of Nagaland. So almost all the 7 states of Northeast India we have completed and we came to know about their important festivals. So now this is the last part of our story and we will know about the festivals of Sikkim. So let's read the paragraph 15 to know about the important festivals of Sikkim. Situated in the eastern Himalayas, Sikkim is one of the most beautiful states of India. The Sikkim festivals are celebrated with a lot of pomp and show and as per the Buddhist calendar. Throughout these festivals, people take part in lively dances and music. Sagadawa is an amazing Buddhist festival celebrated on the full moon day in Tibetan lunar month between May and June. On this sacred day, people visit the monasteries, offer prayers, water, incense sticks and butter lamps. The festival commemorates the birth, enlightenment and death of Lord Buddha. Lusang is celebrated at the end of the harvest season. Locals wearing brightly colored masks, playing fascinating musical instruments, performing cham dance. Archery contest is also held along with feasting and other celebrations. Tibetan New Year Losar is marked with immense joy, extensive meals and merriment. It is usually held in February. Tihar is the festival of light. It is somewhat like Diwali. So children, in this paragraph, we came to know a number of festivals celebrated in Sikkim. And we also came to know mainly Sikkim is based on Buddhism. So the Buddhist calendar, they follow the Buddhist calendar. So as per the Buddhist calendar, they celebrate a number of festivals which are based on worshipping Lord Buddha. The Sikkim festivals are celebrated with a lot of pomp and show. There are a number of new words. So pomp and show. Pomp and ceremony, we know. That means very attractive. Pomp and show. We also celebrate Diwali festival with a pomp and show in our state Odisha. Other more new words like commemorates, celebrates, enlightenment, Buddha got enlightenment. That means se tankar ज्ञानोदय हैथिला. आमे जानिचंती प्रत्येक योगी मुनि ऋषि माने सेमाने तांकर ज्ञानोदय हुए जेमति आमे जानिचंती से गोटे अस्वस्थ गछ मूल रे तांकर ज्ञानोदय हैथिला. तेणु सेते बेले जाईकी गौतम बुद्ध नाम रे परिचित हैथिले. तापरे फाइनली समानकर निर्वाण प्राप्ति हुए, मोक्ष प्राप्ति हुए. सो एनलाइटनमेंट ज्ञानोदय एंड देन death of Lord Buddha, that is Nirvana. So situated in the eastern Himalayas. So Sikkim state is closer to Himalayas. Himalaya is in the north and we are studying about the northeast states of India. So this is a little bit close because from the very beginning we have discussed that the 7 states are called the land of 7 sisters and Sikkim is detached. Sikkim is separated from the other 7 states of northeast India by the Siliguri corridor. So this is called a little brother and it is a little bit difference or in a distant place from other states. So this state Sikkim is situated in the eastern Himalaya. It is closer to the Himalayas and one of the most beautiful states of India. So it is full of natural beauty. That's why it is called one of the most beautiful states of India. The Sikkim festivals are celebrated with a lot of pomp and ceremony in an attractive manner as per the Buddhist calendar. Throughout these festivals, people take part in lively dance and music. Their dance and music, like traditional music and dances in other states, they are very lively, jibanta. सत्तरे जमिति से माने प्रकृत फिगर भाबरे डांस करूचंती रोल करू नाहंती एक्शन करू नाहंती देयर डांस इज वेरी लाइवली वेरी एक्टिव सागा दावा इज एन अमेजिंग बुद्धिस्ट फेस्टिवल सागा दावा so the first important festival in Sikkim is Saga Dawa. Saga Dawa is an amazing Buddhist festival celebrated on the full moon day. Full moon day जानचो कि नहीं पूर्णिमा दिन आमर पूर्णिमा और अमावास्या दुईटी पक्ष पड़े गोटे मासरे so full moon day in Tibetan lunar month we know and solar month चंद्रायण आ गोटे सूर्य अनुसार मंथ हुए आ गोटे चंद्र अनुसार मंथ हुए से अनुसार आमर पूर्णिमा बा अमावास्या धरा हुए तेणु से माने कौन करती लुनार मंथ चंद्रायण मासरे in Tibetan calendar Buddhist calendar they celebrate this festival Saga Dawa on full moon day in the month of May and June in the middle of in between May and June. So Saga Dawa is celebrated in the middle of May and June. On this sacred day, this is a sacred day, this is a holy day. People visit the monasteries. Monasteries where the monks live. Mottha. The monks, the sages live in monasteries. What do the people do in that place? They offer prayers, water, incense sticks and butter lamp. आमे जेतले मंदिर को जानती कौन करंती बटर लैंप घी दीप जलांती इनसेंस स्टिक है धूपकाठी जलांती वाटर पानी ढालती आमे जल छाया करती शिवंक ऊपर पानी ढालती तेणु सिमिलार वे रे से माने मध्य सिक्किम रो लोक माने मध्य पूजा पार्वण सेलिब्रेट करती सो दे ऑफर प्रेयर्स वाटर इनसेंस स्टिक्स एंड butter lamps. The festival commemorates the birth, enlightenment and death of Lord Buddha. तेणु Lord Buddha भगवान बुद्धंकर जन्म तांकर ज्ञानोदय एवं तांकर निर्वाण बा मोक्ष ए समस्त को से माने पालन करंती मने पकांती symbolize करंती. That's why they offer prayers with incense sticks and lamps. Another festival in Sikkim is Lusang. Lusang is another festival at the end of the harvest season. In some states, before sowing they worship God, after sowing season they also worship God, and after harvest they worship God. Twice or thrice in a year they worship. So here also Losang is another festival. It is celebrated in the month of harvest season when all the crops are harvested, their barns are full. At that time they offer prayer to God, that is thank giving to God. because God has given a good harvest. So that is at the end of the harvest season. And in this festival, wearing bright colored mask देखिच लोक मैंने सब विभिन्न फंक्शन रे मुहर गोटे मुखा लगे था किए भूतर किए बाघर किए छेलीर किए सिंहर किए परीर एमती विभिन्न प्रकार मास्क सब मुहर लगे था आम बर्तमान गोटे गोटे मास्क लगाउछन्ती कोविड पाई सेटा मुह पूरा कभर करूना आम नाकपाटी कभर करुच्ची किंतु जोटी पूजा पार्वण रे किंचे ऑकेजन रे आमे यूज करंती खेलिबा पाई फन सेक रे दैट इज ए मास्क. So they also use mask, colored mask, bright colored mask, playing fascinating musical instruments. Different types of musical instruments are also played in this festival Losan. Perform charm dance. The special dance is their charm dance. Archery contest, charm dance. This is the speciality of Losang festival. The archery contest is also held along with fishing and other celebration. Tibetan New Year Losar, another function, another celebration is Losar. So just look at the blackboard. One is Sagadawa, another is Losang, another is Losar. Losar is marked with immense joy, extensive meal and merriment. This is New Year festival. Tibetan New Year festival Losar, and here they make merriment, they enjoy the function, they enjoy the festival, they dance, there is extensive or sumptuous meal, there is feast of different kinds of dishes. It is usually held in February. So this Losar festival is held in the month of February. This is not all. There is also another festival known as Tihar. तिहार फेस्टिवल हिंदी रे मध्य तिहार बोली कहले फेस्टिवल को ही कहती तिहार बोली किंतु एठी सिक्किम रे तिहार गोटे फेस्टिवल ना. द तिहार फेस्टिवल इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट. आम स्टेट रे फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट किए कहला दिवाली. इन ओडिशा एंड इन अदर स्टेट्स आल्सो द फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट कहले समस्त दिवाली को बुझेबे कारण दिवाली रे आमे दीप जलांती बाण फुटांती दैट इज द कॉल्ड द फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट. सिमिलरली इन सिक्किम तिहार इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट. दे आल्सो burn the butter lamps and other things in this festival. So this festival is an important festival and this is called the festival of light. So in Sikkim we came to know 4 festivals: Sagadawa, Losang, Losar and Tihar. Tihar festival is the festival of light, Losar is the New Year festival and Losang is celebrated at the end of the harvest season, and the speciality of this Losang is charm dance which is not seen in other states and in other festivals, and another festival is Sagadawa which is celebrated during the lunar month in May and June. So this is all about the festivals of Sikkim. So you will go through the lesson, and now all the 8 states of Northeast India we have completed and we came to know regarding their festivals. So you will remember it well. In the next class we will continue. Thank you all.